Hi, I'm Dallas. I just got my order in from Balloon Decor and I'm so excited to do an unboxing with you guys. So let's get into it. Wow. I love all the different colors you can pick from. As you can see, they come in 2 different sizes. So this is the small and this one's the medium. Now that we got them all laid out, we are gonna inflate them using this bike pump. So I'm just locating the insert inside the bladder and it looks like this. And we just insert the pump into there. The key here is patience. It's gonna take some time to fully inflate the balloon. You wanna make sure that the balloon is fully inflated before hanging it. So you wanna make sure the seams are tight. Now that the balloon is fully inflated, it's time to find a nice place to hang it. I like this spot over here in my kitchen, and so I already put a nail up in the center and I'm just gonna hang it right here. Love it.